Guys, this video is about only traders who trade gold. All right, if you're a forex trader, then you understand what I'm talking about. And if you've been trading gold for a very long time, you're going to understand what I'm talking about. Guys, gold has been dropped 1,500 pips only this week. Right, only this week, starting from I think Tuesday, gold has been dropped 1,500 pips. Guys, I tried to check on gold to do some analysis from the past. Gold has been never done this before. Like, of course did, but not this year, because this year, starting from January, gold has been buying, going high, expensive. But guys, now gold is becoming cheap. I don't know what's happening, but guys, guess what? Since gold has been dropped 1,500 pips, I think this is a very good opportunity for every single forex trader to make money. It's your opportunity to make enough money from the market. Guess what? You know what? So right now, what I would just recommend anybody, stop everything that you're doing right now and go buy gold as we speak. Bro, you're gonna thank me later, because think about this 1,500 pips. If it's going to become in your profit, how much money are you going to make from the market? A lot of money. Film, just go use your proper risk management. Go buy gold right now as I speak. Go buy gold. Use at least 1% risk. You understand? Make sure you use proper risk management. If you have $100, please at least enter the market with 0.01. You understand? And let that $100 land for you, and your take profit is going to be same 1,500 pips. Do you feel me? With all these 1,500 pips, it's going to be your profit. If you have account with $500, I don't know if I should say this on this video right here, but I think it's gonna help somebody, right? You know what I do, guys, on my social media, on my platforms, just to help you guys make some bag, right? If I will show you my account, how I enter right now, everything has been changed. But you know what? I'm about to, I'm about to review everything, all the secrets right now. I will review them on my YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed yet on my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel, right? Because I'm about to review something, to unbox something which is going to help you make money and forget about the losses in the market. All these losses, you're going to forget about them. Only profit. And if you got account with $500 right now as we speak, bro, as soon as the market opens, just go and enter the market with 0.05. You feel me? And let all these 1,500 pips to be your profit. You're gonna thank me later. Let me just count for you. In case if you enter with 0.05, say with your account of $500, do you know how much money you're going to make with 1,500 pips? Because this is gold, guys. This is gold. Gold has never been cheap. Still gonna go back, bro, to the price that has been at, and still gonna even go higher more than that. Phone. So count 1,500 pips that has been dropped. I think this is a very good opportunity for buyers to invest in gold right now as we speak. So if you're gonna enter with an account of $500 and you enter with 0.05, that's 100% proper risk management, which means you invest your money into gold. You're not gonna be pressurized, no pressure, nothing, because even the loss is just gonna be small. You feel me? So like with 1,500 pips, do you know how much money you're going to make? because you need to count, like if you enter the market with 0.01, each 10 pips you make how much? You make $1, right? 100 pips with 0.01, you make $10. 1,000 pips, you make $100. 1,500, you make 150. So if you take 0.05, 1,500, you're going to make $750 as a profit. Your account is 500, and then your take profit is 750 profit. All right, and your risk is 1%. No stress. You understand? So guys, go crazy. You know, just go crazy. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, gold has been changing my face this week. Because bro, if I might show you what I'm learning in the market, of course I've made some profit from gold, but so far I have trades that are running in the market. Right now the market has been closed, but guys, I'm going to review everything. I'm going to show you guys everything as soon, maybe next week, because this week I don't know what's happened, bro. Even the NFP, it didn't move, bro. Like usual 2:30, same time for NFP, it's always spike, but this week same time for NFP never changed nothing. It didn't even do nothing. 2:30 was just like normal days. I was like, what's happening, man? Please leave the comment below if you know what happened, because yesterday as Friday NFP news time, I was hoping to kill the market, but bro, 2:30, nothing changed. There were no changes in the market. So anyways guys, yeah man, I just wanted to plug you guys about gold. And if you think about anything about what happened yesterday about NFP, please leave the comment below. Let me know what you think. But on my side, bro, I don't know. I was just asking myself, like, what? NFP news day? Not even 10 pips? They didn't spike on upside. It never spiked on downside. It was just chilling until maybe 10 minutes later. That's where the market started on dropping, just like there were no NFP yesterday. That's what I can say. So go crazy, go make money through gold, go invest your money through gold. It's just plug. Do it if you feel like, don't do it if you don't feel like, but I'm gonna show the result and I know you're gonna love it. Yeah man, gold has changed my face this week. I'm not gonna lie, you can see I'm turning to dark. It's crazy, but it's all good. Yeah, I made some really profit from gold this week for sure, but I'm still asking myself why gold is dropping too much. Do you think it's gonna continue dropping, or do you think now it's a good time to bounce back? Comment below, let me know what you think. Yeah man, Saturday, tomorrow, Sunday, you know the vibes. New week is coming, you know. Yeah, we're trying to go hard on gold and see. One thing about me nowadays, guys, I don't bother about this other pairs like USDK and stuff. You know, I love gold, bro. I love gold because gold is something that gives you money quickly, bro. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, you got money, bro. You got peeps, like 100 peeps, 200 peeps each and every 20 minutes, 30 minutes. You feel what I'm saying? So it's crazy, bro. I love gold. It's so crazy. buy USDK, bro. You might even spend 3 days, bro, but it doesn't move no way, you know. It's just right there, just consolidation, bro. I'm like, damn. Now I only deal with the gold, bro. I love gold more than anything else. If you know what I'm talking about, I know you know. So if you know what I mean, I know you know. So yeah, man. More videos are coming, more tips are coming. Yeah, and just make sure you got yourself a good broker. If you don't have no one, just sign up with the broker that I use. The link is on the description below. And the good thing about the broker that I use, you're gonna have 100% welcome bonus. If you deposited like $50, you might have $100. If you deposited like $200, it is gonna turn into $400. So you have 100% welcome bonus, which is good, up to $500. If you deposit $100, it's gonna turn to $1,000, which means you have they give you more capital to be able to trade in the market, so which is good. Yeah, and the other thing I love about the broker that I use, withdraw, bro, it's one time, bro. Withdraw money today, tomorrow you get money. So it's good. You just withdraw money on Thursday, Friday you got money. Easy. I love him so bad. So yeah, man, peace out. Make sure you join free Telegram group. The link is on the description. I promise you guys more lizard, more trading ideas, more tips, everything, bro, in a free Telegram group. Make sure you join. The link is on the description. If you got anything that I can help you with, everything is about comment below, man, because I will read your comment, then I'll know what you guys want. Yeah, man, I'm doing my first routine. So doing my first routine. I think now it's about time to wash my face. Yeah, so yeah, man. This shit is crazy. Damn. Respect to y'all. Peace out.